Hi everybody, this won't be an ASMR video, this is an unboxing video and it's 5:25 at night, so there's kids out playing and my doggies are going about. But I received this package and it's from the beautiful Rachel and she's in Switzerland. So I'm really looking forward to opening this. I've never had anything from Switzerland before. So thank you very much, Rachel. That was very, very kind of you. And I'll put the camera down a little bit. You hear Mr. Mikey and Poppy going about. Okay. Let's see how to open this. I love the tape. Nautical. Make some nice sticky sounds. Okay. Oh, I need to take the tape off the side. Terrible at opening boxes. I'm sure there'll be an easier way. I just well, I'll move to the side. I hope I'm saying your name right. It's either Rachel or Raquel. Sorry if I'm saying your name wrong. There's actually a few things in here. I'll open this one first. Oh wow! Oh wow, it's beautiful. It's for crafting. Look at them. To pick up beads and everything. Look at this. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh, I can't wait to use all that. Thank you very, very much. Raquel. Oh, I'm so sorry if I'm saying your name wrong. Let's see what this is. It's got some washi tape. Small lights have a way of being seen in a dark world. That's lovely. What's this? Oh wow! They're so gorgeous. I'll need to put them behind me. Can you see how beautiful these are? Oh my goodness. They are gorgeous. Even the sound of them. Beautiful. Oh, thank you very, very much. You'll see them in a lot of videos because I'm going to hang them up. And another thing. Oh my goodness. Do some tapping. Oh! Oh, there's lots of little things. Be gentle with us. Let's try and be as gentle as possible. Not showing my scarf. There's giraffes. I don't even know where to put these. Put on top of this box. It's beautiful. He's going in Africa in my living room. So gorgeous. Try to be gentle. Oh my goodness. The giraffe family. I've got my calendar up that the beautiful Tony sent me. Let me see if I can show you that. See it? And here's my notice boards. They are just so gorgeous. I'm in love. I'm in love with them. Oh goodness, there's a sleeping one. I'll show you them. Aren't they fabulous? Oh Rahel, oh Raquel. Where is he? Rahel. I'm saying your name right. My goodness, these are so beautiful. Thank you so much. Keep them here. They're safe. In fact, I'll put them in there just in case Poppy or Mr. Mikey jump up. And I'm keeping that. I'll put that on my notice board. And it will remind me. Thank you so much. There's still more things. A lot of space for your wonderful ASMR ideas. Isn't this absolutely gorgeous? It's so cute. That's the van. This is why I don't do ASMR videos at night. Right, come on guys. Come on. Come in. And these are beautiful books. Look at these. You can write down things. Thank you so much. That's going up my notice board. What is this? I've got oh my goodness. This. It's a beautiful binder with a fabulous pocket letter. She's got a name on it. Oh my goodness. I'm so daft, I don't know how to open this binder. Right, I think I've got it. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm not looking at the back. I need to get to work and make the one back. Oh my goodness. This is the first pocket. And look at the little pictures. They are so gorgeous. Way nicer than my pocket letters. I'll show my mascara off. Almost dead. Think about that. I'll just leave that out just now. The second pocket. This. Do more of what makes you happy. Pigs. Look at that. You're putting my pocket letter to shame. This is so wonderful. I'm going to take my name off. And that's going on my notice board. These are all super cute. Stop and smell the roses. Look at all these gorgeous foxes. Goodness. Look at that. It's got a little knit needles and a beautiful little, oh, the detail's just absolutely fabulous. And look what was in the back. Scissors and spools of thread. Amazing, absolutely blown away. It's always tea time. Ooh, I don't know what kind of tea that is, but I'm going to enjoy it. My pocket letter won't be nearly as nice as this. Tags. Oh, and your letter. How did that off camera? Look at that, it's so cute. Tags. Oh my goodness, look, even there's an little envelope. She's got a tiny little letter in it. And it says, "You are awesome." Oh my goodness, there's the flag. Unbelievable. I'm not even going to edit this out. You can see the joys of Mr. Mikey and Poppy. Oh, he's never too cold for ice cream. This little polar bear. And I've got lots of little polar bears. Look at these guys. The next one says, "Keep shining." It's a little sticker. I think this is a little sticker. Don't know, have a look. And the last one, "Give today your owl." Oh, yay. Well, I don't know what to say. Absolutely out of this world is the only thing I can say about this pocket letter. It really does put mine to shame. Oh, look at the sides. A little nutcracker, and I love the nutcracker. And a jar with stars. There goes my cat beside the other there. I've got tattoos on my face and I forget what side they're on. What was I going to say? Oh, oh, it's a sparkly wand. It's a sparkly wand. Homemade magic for when you need a miracle. This will need to be in a few videos, this. You can maybe do some tapping with it. I want to be a princess. Ding! My goodness. There's just so many beautiful things that you have sent me. I'll be sending you one back. I'll get in touch with you and get your address. Mine's will not be as good as this. I will try though. But this is just... I had absolutely no idea you were going to send me a pocket letter as nice as that. It's fabulous in the binder. Linda's lovely letters. Look at that. Well, my other binder's getting full, so your pocket letter will be the first one in the new binder. I'm going to take my nutcracker off and I'm going to put my lights up as well. But thank you once again. Thank you for my gorgeous giraffes. They were so cute and I'm awful glad they got here safe and sound. They've came an awful long way, haven't they? So thank you everyone for watching and liking and subscribing to my channel. I love yous all and I send yous all my hugs and my loves. These are all my little berries. Bye.